Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today the big question is French or Dutch braid? Let me know what you like best. I'm preparing my hair with some backs, and then I do a slightly side parting. I'm taking 2 strands and crossing them over in the back, and then I'm taking the 3rd strand and bring it in between of these both strands, then bringing the right strand under the middle strand, adding in some hair, again taking hair from the left, bringing it into the middle, bringing the right again under, adding in hair, and then I have only 3 strands and I'm braiding it until the very end. Bring it to the front if it's easier for you, and take a small elastic to secure the hair. This is my first version, and I like to do that in summer and just love how the hair goes one layer over the other at the very beginning. This is why I start crossing over and not directly with the 3 strands. The other version is the French braid, so take 3 strands, bring the right over the middle strand, left over the middle strand, hold everything tight in between of your hands, add in some hair to the left hand side, smooth it out, bring it over the middle, add in hair from the other side, from the right hand side, bring it over the middle together with the right hand strand, do the same on the other side, over the middle, tighten everything, and make sure that you never lose up the 3 strands in between of your fingers. My hair is quite thick and a bit rebellic, so I have to hold it very tight. I try to braid as much as I can on the wheel, and I'm losing up here some strands just to make it look a bit fuller. You can pancake as much as you like it. I just did a bit. I did not want my shorter hair to come out, and then I'm braiding until the very end, and I secure again with a small elastic. I don't know why a French braid always twists a bit when you pull it in the front, so bring it back into its place, pull it into shape, and that is the French braid. Let me know, what do you like better? Version 1, the Dutch braid, or this version, the French braid? Leave me a comment down below, and I see you very soon back. Bye bye, have a good day.